Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms of herlovelyplan, and I am back today with another planner related video. Yes, I'm pausing for reaction. Yes, this is a planner related video. If you are a diehard planner babe, you know how important your bag is to your planner life. Not just to put your everyday essentials like lotions and gum and keys, but you gotta have something cute and sturdy to put your planners and all of your planner essentials. So I want to go ahead and show you this bag that I purchased from Target, and if you want to see the bag and see what I can and cannot stuff in this bag, stick around. Okay, first, so this bag again I purchased from Target, and it costs $44.99 before taxes. However, if you have a red card, you can use your red card, and it's debited directly from your bank account. It's not a credit card, and you get 5% off. So y'all always know me, any savings is a good savings. So second, I wanted to get a bag because one, I wanted something that was a nice quality, but I didn't want to spend designer prices, and Target never fails when it comes to their items. The items are always good quality and at a reasonable price. So I purchased this bag because I needed a cute everyday bag that I could take with me when I'm going out to the movies or to church, something different, because normally I take a backpack with me every day to work. And I did do a review of that backpack, and if you want to see it, check out the link above, and I will leave the link in my description box below if you want to see the review of that bag and how I stuffed it. But let's talk about this beautiful girl right here. So she has like a quilted kind of look right here, pattern, and then it goes straight down, and then on the sides is just plain, as well as on the back. The handles are very sturdy, and it has gold accents, and I like the fact that it's not a lot of gold accents, because I used to be kind of like that girl. If it's gold and I'm wearing silver, I can't wear it. I gotta get a bag that got silver hardware. But we're in an age where we are mixing metals, so who cares? So the hardware zipper is gold with the black zipper here, and then you have these gold hooks, which are for the crossbody strap that comes in the bag, and it has the gold hooks on it as well, with the gold buckle, in which you can use to adjust. I don't really use my buckle, my straps that much, but it's good when you're probably stuffing the bag. So next, just to open it up so you can see, very, very spacious. And as you can see, it has this nice open spot right here. And if you have the bag organizers, you can just drop that right in here. Because this bag, you really don't have to zip it up if you don't want to, but it does have the zipper if you choose to zip it up. And if you want to purchase that organizer, I will have a link down in my description box where you can get it off of my Amazon shop. So then it has your standard, I call it like a flat pocket, and you can put, you know, things like your loose pens, if you don't have a pen pouch, your gum, business cards, whatever you want to put. Then on this section, this is kind of like a middle section, and for me, I tend to like to put like my tablet, my iPad, or what have you in this section, just because it has like a little padding to kind of protect it from bumping up against other things, because you know those screens on those iPads, all of them coins you spend, they should be shatterproof, waterproof, drop proof, everything proof, but they're not. So it has a nice little padding. I don't know if you can kind of see the thickness, but this is all padding in between. So you have this third section here, second section. So then in your third section, it's another pocket, and you can put, again, maybe your another tablet. If you have more than one, you could put papers, what have you. Then you have these small little side pockets, and I like to actually use this to store my gum and my business cards, because my husband and I stay passing out business cards. So I like to use that for that. And so like I said, it's very spacious, and depending on how packed you make it, you may or may not be able to zip it up. So I want to show you how I put my everyday stuff in here. And then I want to see if I can start adding things that I might need to carry. Say if I'm going to a planner meetup or going to meet someone out for coffee and we're doing planner things, like what can I actually fit in here? So if you want to see me start stuffing my bag, keep watching. All right, so we're going to start with my essentials. Now, I do have one of the organizers on the way, so I'm going to pack this up without it, because some people don't want to buy those things, and that's fine. So I want you to see how you can put all of your carries in here without having the storage bag that you put in here. And basically what the storage bag is, it's almost like a craft bag. It has different slots where you can put different things, so you can stay a lot more organized. So I always have this bag, and this is like my little personal, items, my chapstick, my female things, fingernail files, just like basic things. So I normally kind of just stick it in like this, and I normally adjust it as I pack my bag. And then of course I have my A5 traveler's notebook, and I keep her in this amazing pouch that I got from the Gold Mining Cocoa and Posh Plans collab. This is so cute, and I use the protective little method that I can't remember her name right offhand, but I want to say it's like Kel's, and she showed where you use a white candle, put that wax all over that thing, then take a blow dryer and blow dry it, and it forms a weather protectant. So we're gonna sit my planner. So I'm gonna just place it like this, and then layer this like this. Then my other essentials, of course, is my wallet. So this can kind of sit like this. And then I have my pen pouch. Then, of course, you got to have gum. And I have 2 things of gum. So we're going to set that back here. And then I always take my iPad, especially when I go to work. So all of the next things are kind of like my secondary carries. So this is stuff that I would carry every day. Now it's kind of heavy already, but that's because my A5 is pretty heavy. But I will put my iPad right here, and I have room to put my charger in, which I don't know where my charger is. And this is actually an everyday carry. I don't know where those scissors came from. And so normally I would take my business cards and shove them in this little pocket. Got my sunglasses, and I gotta put my sunglasses right here because it's got that little padding to protect it. My work keys, drop in there, and I have room for an umbrella. Let's see. Now I'm stuffing her. Now, of course, oop, I just hit my camera. Of course, I typically only carry my umbrella in my backpack. If I'm out and about, I can just drop it like that. So let's drop that right there. And then I know I'm old school. I have all of these things, and I need to take them off, but a couple of them I still use, like my library cards. Sometimes I use my CVS card because I can never remember what phone number I have in there, but I can just drop that in here. And if I'm going to a planner meetup, this is not a real planner, but I don't have anything in there because I'm doing the 1 planner challenge. I could fit my B6 in here as well. Let's see, maybe not. Let's see. So it zips up. I actually think I would probably be good with the way it is. I wouldn't probably add anything else. If I were to want to carry my B6, I would probably, let's see, move this here. This is fun, trying to see how you can stuff stuff in a bag. I don't want to mess up my flower. Yep, B6 fits right there. My wallet, my pen pouch. Now the test to see if I can zip it up. Yep, I can still zip it up. So I can pretty much fit all of my everyday essentials, and I could probably slide my umbrella. Yep, slide your umbrella like this, and it is pretty heavy, but it has everything that I would need if I wanted to take this with me on a meetup. And like I said, it's it comes with this let's put this on. It comes with this crossbody strap, so you know, if you're standing at the meetup and y'all are talking and y'all are just like, oh, I'm tired of holding this bag on my arm, because you know how we put that on. Look at my tattoo. We put our bag right there, right in the crease of our elbow. Elbow will be toe up by the time we get home. But you can just put your strap on here, and then you can adjust it. I'm not going to do the full adjustment, and this will give you a little bit more support because you can put it on your body. And I like the fact that this little part is exposed, so if you wanted to put like your cell phone here, you can get access to it and your keys. That way you don't have to go in here and zip it up and try to get everything. So I really like the fact that this part is open and exposed, because I hate being out and I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to zip up, unzip my bag. Just slide your hand right here. So I hope you enjoyed the review on this. Like I said, you can kind of stuff a lot in here, and it's still it'll still zip up. You probably can fit an iPad, your laptop in here as well, but you would probably have to take out your tablet. It's probably like a one device type of bag. And while I'm thinking about it, let's see. I think this is like a standard size notebook. It's laptop. It's super heavy, but she fits in there. And if you really wanted to push it to the limit, you can still slide your iPad in there. Let's see if it's still, and it still zips up. So you can put a lot in here, you guys. It's gonna be real heavy, but the chances that you're carrying all of that stuff all at one time, all the time, will probably be slim to none. But I want you to be able to see what you can and you can't fit in this bag. But whoo, child, this is like weights right here. So I'm excited about using this. It's cute, it's different, because like I said, I get tired of carrying a backpack all the time. You have this handle that's sturdy that you can use in the event it gets too heavy to carry on your arm or in your hand, however you do your bags. So if you're interested in this bag, I will leave the Target link. I am not a spokesperson. Target is not sponsoring me. I just like to share products that I get that I like and that I think may benefit you as well. So if you enjoyed my product review and you enjoyed seeing me stuff this bag to capacity, give me a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you never miss a new video or live stream. And as well, share this with your planner friends so they can be inspired to pack their bags. So until next time, Planner fam, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.